Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Adam, and if you love luxury fashion, then you're definitely going to love my channel. So make sure you like and subscribe, check out my Instagram for all of the latest updates, and today, let's get right into it. So in today's video, I did order some of the cheapest items from Chanel.com, so I am so excited to go over that with you. As you know, I did already unbox my Chanel Trendy in the color light beige and the material lambskin. This is such a good bag, and I love it so much, but it is really expensive. So let's go ahead and check out some of the cheapest items from Chanel.com. So first I'm going to start with the cheapest item, and this was only $20 from Chanel.com, but I have to admit, this item I'm about to show you, I did buy like 4 years ago, and I have never once opened it nor used it, because in all honesty, I got Chanel cotton pads. Now, in all honesty, Chanel cotton pads, I don't use cotton pads at all, so when I bought this, I knew I wasn't really going to use it, but the box for decoration alone is just so cute and so worth it, especially, for 20 bucks. This box usually sits right behind me right here, and now you all know what it does contain. It is a box of 100 cotton pads with the Chanel logo. I will have the photo up on screen because the cotton pads themselves, they are really cute. They are embossed with the Chanel logo, the double CC, so cute. Now, because I bought this a while ago, it was $20, but now I think this retails for like $25 online, so a little bit of like a $5 price increase there, but this is so cute and so good for decoration. Now, since I don't open this and since I don't use this, my original plan was to keep this in the bathroom, because if you put this on your toilet and then you put plants next to it, your bathroom is going to look so beautiful and so Chanel. So, who doesn't want like a glamorous bathroom? But because I never ended up keeping this in the bathroom, I do keep it right behind me, right here, with some like Medusa stuff on top of it. So cute for decoration. This, I honestly would recommend it, especially if you do use cotton pads. I would definitely recommend it. And then the good thing about getting anything from Chanel.com is you do get samples with it. So when you do get this box, you will get to choose samples, whether it's perfume or skincare, so you do get like a little bit more for your money. The next item I will be showing you guys does go up to $35, and this will be the Chanel oil pads. So of course I am addicted to oil pads. As you see in my handbag videos and what fits inside my bags, I always carry oil pads with me, but you never see these Chanel ones. So when it comes to the Chanel one, I'll get to it in just a moment, but it does come with this super cute velvet case, and it does have a Chanel logo right here as well. So you can go ahead, take it out of the case, and now you have your cute little compact that does say Chanel on it, and this is a really nice, like, fabric material. Like, it's really squishy and like ASMR, you want to like dig your nails into it. But when you go ahead, open it up, you do have your starter screen right here, so that's super cute, just a plain black screen to keep them all protected. We do have the mirror right here, so you can definitely like see yourself in it. So cute. So when you do run out of this, you can actually use it as a mirror. So double purpose for this. And then we do have the Chanel oil pads right here. Now, these, I did use them. I only have like 3 of them left in here. And right here, you even have like a little pocket to carry like more if you want, like any extras, because they do make refill packs of this as well. But the papers are really cute. They do have the Chanel logo all over them, but I hate these Chanel oil pads in all honesty. The material of them alone are like paper and like so horrible. Even picking them up, you can hear it. So it's just so bad, and it's like cardboard paper on you. The oil pads from Chanel, I would not recommend, especially for $35. I would just recommend, I think I use like Clean and Clear, or just like the Target brand that says like oil pads and stuff. I definitely recommend those over the Chanel one. But for $35, you do get Chanel oil pads. And then since we're on camera, I'm gonna go ahead and just use this right now for like example. But you just like dip it on you, and then you can kind of see like the oils that like come off. I'm not really oily right now because I just did my makeup and my whole routine process, but usually, not too oily today, so that's cool. But these papers, I mean, I have to say, I do not recommend these. Going up the Chanel price ladder, we do get to the skincare. And for makeup, I actually did get this Chanel powder. Now, the Chanel powder, I ran out of it like maybe 4 years ago, 5 years ago. But the thing with Chanel packaging and stuff is the packaging is just so cute. So right here, you have the Chanel logo on the lid, and then it does say like Chanel here, obviously. But what I did with this is I actually filled it up with glitter for decoration. So I put a bunch of like blue and like black, just all different kinds of like dark glitters in here for decoration, and I thought it would be so cute, and I was right, it was. So now this does sit right on my shelf, right next to my Prada bags. I usually keep like a cologne on top of here just to make it like higher and stuff, like so everybody can see. But so cute for decoration. Now the Chanel powder itself was really good powder. It did blur you, it did work, it was amazing powder, you know, just like Laura Mercier. But, you know, for the price point, I think the powder alone was like 50, 60, 70, something like that. I honestly can't remember because, again, it was so long ago. But so cute. I really do like Chanel makeup as well. I don't like the foundation because it never stays on. Looks exactly like skin, but you have to have flawless skin to even wear it. Otherwise, I mean, you'll want to grab like a heavier foundation for sure. But the powder, it's universal, works for everybody, and the Chanel powder I really love, even though this is filled with glitter right now. Another item that I honestly really do love is the Chanel deodorant. Now, I did get this back in the day for like $20, $25. It did have a price increase, so now the deodorant is like $40, $35. I will have the price up on screen. Now, I did run out of this. I did keep the bottle for decoration, but it did fall off my dresser and it completely broke everywhere, so I did unfortunately have to throw it away. But the Chanel deodorant, it smelled so good. I did get it in my favorite scent, which is the men's blue scent, and it is just so perfect. Now, it does not help you sweat at all. Like, you will still sweat. It has nothing to help you with there. It's literally just to smell good under the arm. So if you get this thinking like, oh, you won't sweat and it's going to be amazing, you will sweat so much still. Like, I sweat constantly, so that did not help me, the deodorant, but just to like have that extra scent right here, it was really nice, and I did really like it. You know, when you hugged me, you could definitely smell it, and, you know, I would definitely recommend it just for the scent. Now, I also do have a Versace deodorant too, and one of my favorite scents. However, I did get it for my birthday, and I will have my birthday haul video linked right above right here. However, I haven't used this yet, so I would hold it up and compare it on camera, but I do have a separate video planned for that. But Versace, I'm really excited to try the Versace one as well. Another item I forgot to show you is the Chanel mirror. Now, this is only $40 on the Chanel website, but they did raise it $2, so now it is $42, and this is actually really good. It does come with a velvet case. I have dropped it quite a bit, and it has stayed intact. Now, this mirror, there are a lot of fakes of this, but the only difference is the fake ones are always like super flat on the top compared to the real one, which actually has texture on the Chanel logo, so it's not flat across the surface. But this one, I would honestly say it is worth it. Definitely really cool. Next, we're definitely going higher in the price point. Right now, we were reaching about like $70 to $90 to $100, and that would be for these colognes slash perfumes. Now, these are so cool. Chanel cologne, perfume, 100% recommended. I actually love to mix these with my Versace ones right here. I usually spray the Chanel blue first, and then I'll go in with this one from Versace right here, and then I go in with that one to finish it off. So cute, but if I want to be like a little bit more feminine that day, I'll start with the Chanel Chance, then I'll work my way to those two. But first, let's start with this one and get a closer look at it. So for my favorite scent ever, it is the Chanel Blue Cologne. And this one, it is in the men's section, and this is just so good. This does retail for like $90 if you want the specific size. So it'd be like $90 to like $110. And this just smells so good. Of course, on these, you do have the Chanel logo. Whenever a brand really puts time into putting their logo all over their packaging, I really love it because it really shows like they care. This one, it does smell so good. For the scent, I would say that this smells like every man cologne that you want it to smell like. So usually men cologne, it's too heavy, it's too like old man like, but this, it's exactly where you want it to be. Like no matter like who you are, I feel like this is the scent that you are going for if you are a man and you want that like typical men cologne, but you want like that Chanel twist on it. There's just something about this. It smells like no other one, and it's just 10 times better than all of the other men's that I've ever tried, besides like Versace, of course. But, you know, this one I loved so much, and I would totally recommend this one. Next, I do have my second favorite one from Chanel, and this one is called Chance, but I actually bought this one by mistake. So usually I love, love, love the pink one. The pink one is just like the most fruity and girly thing in the world, and it just smells so clean and so fresh. I love it so much, but unfortunately I didn't realize that they have the same box. So both of these come in like a pink box, and I didn't know it, but I actually got like the green one. But I actually really like this one too. It's really, really good. Smelling this one, it's a little bit less fruity than the pink. It's a little less girly, but this one is still very, very feminine. This one smells like fresh citrus, I would say. Like, I would say this smells like the water containers that people keep like cucumbers in. And the water itself just smells so good, like when you mix fruits and vegetables with water. So good. I love it so much. So this one, so clean, so fresh, smells so cute, and I would definitely recommend this one as well. My next item is a must-have for absolutely everybody. So this is the Chanel skincare, and this is the Blue Serum. This one just retailed for $110, but trust me when I say this is so, so worth it. This is definitely one of my favorite skincare products, and it's honestly like a facelift in a bottle. When I use this for 2 weeks straight, my face gets so tight that I can't even talk, because like right here feels like it's like stretching and I don't have enough skin to like talk or like even move my head all the way. So I end up sitting there like a statue and I'm like, hello, hi, how are you? Because I can't move because it's like insane Botox. So this product, I love it so much. This will definitely get rid of like your wrinkles, any like texture. This will like really like cinch you in, and this product is just so good. Like I said, literally a facelift in a bottle. You'll use this for like 2 weeks and then you'll have to stop, give your skin like a break, and go back to it like a month or two later to like retighten yourself, and this is just so good. When it comes to the Chanel Blue Serum, they do have 3 key ingredients which are found in the blue zones, which you can see here on screen, and to be honest, I really do love the fact. Definitely makes it more worth the money. Now, even just the scent of this is just so clean and so fresh. I honestly really, really love this product. So because of that fact, I would say that the price is very much justified for it, especially because the product actually does work. And that's the thing about like skincare and makeup products, is you have to get the good stuff, because the good stuff has key ingredients, the makeup will last longer, the skincare will last longer, and everything will actually work. So please don't let that price of $110 scare you away, because the real cost of Botox and facelifts definitely 10 times more expensive. I've personally never had any work done. I've just been using skincare since I was 14, so my forehead and my face literally like hardly moves. But that's just because I've really been on it since I was 14, and I've been to the dermatologist since then. So skincare, I really, really love, so this product I would honestly 100% recommend to you guys. And then some other products that I do want to mention that they do have as well is they do have soap. Now, I never ordered the soap, mainly because the soap has fragrance in it. And fragrance is really bad for your skin. You should never have fragrance in your face wash, your skincare, nothing like that. So to have it in your soap, it just really doesn't make any sense to me, especially because I feel like that would probably really age your skin very fast. Now, of course, they do have a blue soap as well, which is like my favorite scent, and they do have it in Chance as well. And these are good prices. They used to be like 20 bucks, but now I think they're like $30 or $35 for the soaps. But the products itself, I'm sure they smell incredibly great, and you would smell so good coming out of that shower, but I just don't think the quality would be good for your skin because of the key ingredients. So the Chanel soaps, I personally would not recommend, but they are a really cute thought. And then another thing that they do have as well is bath salts as well, which I would have never ever thought Chanel would have bath salts. So, you know, you can add these to your bath, and you can have like a bath bomb, you can have a pink bath and smell beautifully like the Chanel, and it's just so cute. So once again, this is a really cute thought. If you are a bath person, this might be a great option for you. And then the last Chanel item that I do own is the Chanel bag, which comes in at $6,000, which is absolutely insane. Now this bag I actually almost ruined yesterday, the day before filming this video, and I did save it. It's completely a-okay, and let me tell you, my heart dropped, because when I seen that this bag was just so damaged by me, I was like, oh my god, there goes $6,000, just like that. And I nearly had a heart attack, but then I actually fixed it, and it came out just as brand new. And I'm like, okay, wow, I'm like so confused on how this bag fixed itself, especially after what happened. But this bag, because it did fix itself for this price point, Definitely 100% worth it. The lambskin is so much more durable than you would think, especially stay tuned for one of my future videos where I discuss it, and you'll see why, and you'll be like, okay, wow, Chanel lambskin, I thought about you all wrong. But yes, this is my last item that I still currently own from Chanel, and this is my most expensive bag and my most expensive Chanel item. So cute. Definitely check out the review. I will have it linked right above here. But it's such a good bag, and I love it. Okay, so when it comes to Chanel and the Chanel items I have showed you, that is it for today. That is everything I have for you guys. Definitely stay tuned for much more videos from handbag reviews, unboxings. I have so many cool videos, and a lot of like men luxury fashion videos as well. So I'm really excited about that. So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Make sure you like and subscribe. Comment down below. Tell me what was your favorite item. What do you like to buy from Chanel? And really just, anything on your mind. And have a great day. Au revoir.